Well, hope this record good enough. Okay. Hey everybody, Dominoes 7 here. Okay. So earlier, about 5 minutes ago, I had a discussion with my cousin Ricky about my show and everything, about Bone Thugs and Harmony, about I say Bone Thugs and Harmony, about my friend Kirsten K and her boyfriend TJ Nathan. Okay. So I don't know if they're gonna watch this video or not. I don't know if Kirsten's mama gonna watch this video, But I don't even know if her whole entire family gonna watch this video, you know. But I'm still hoping and praying for Kirsten to make a song with Bone Thugs and Harmony, okay? And you know what? That song that I like, Meet Me in the Sky, okay? I like that song by Bone Thugs and Harmony. Feature all 5 members of Bone Thugs and Harmony. Okay, yeah, and that was a good song, And then in the video, they showed the glimpse of Easy E face on that video, So I think they should remix that video and feature Kirsten and this girl Dominique, or Soraya, okay, or Iris P. I don't know. Okay, so you know what? I want to tell y'all something. Okay, Flesh, did y'all ever watch that video when Busy Bone had a fight with his crewmates? With when Crazy Bone was telling Busy Bone he couldn't leave the stage while they were performing, So I don't know if y'all saw that video, and it caught me by surprise when Flesh and Bone say this: "We need new shit, Fuck the '90s." Excuse my language, okay? That's what Flesh and Bone said, I don't know what he meant by that, honestly. I really don't know what he meant by that, But when he said F the '90s or whatever, But I wouldn't say that though, But yeah, to be honest with y'all, Flesh is right. They do need new stuff, which they gonna have eventually, okay? So yeah, they gonna need some new stuff, Okay? Yeah. Uh I well, whatever I want to talk about, I'm gonna leave that off. Okay. All right. So everybody's going to the almost everybody going to that Endymion parade. Yeah. So I hope everybody have fun over there. I mean, out there. And be careful and stuff like that. Try not to get between them tandem floats if they still have tandem floats. Okay. All right, I'm about to go outside, and oh wow, there's a lot of people parked out. Okay, look here. Yep, there a lot of people parked out here. Okay, there's a lot of people on my best friend's a balcony light is on. I don't know if she gonna sit on the porch tonight or what, but I don't know if she going to the Endymion parade. So everybody out here is celebrating Mardi Gras, going to the parades, having fun and stuff like that. All right. So, well, actually, I'm not going to the parade tonight, y'all. Okay. As everybody out here having fun and stuff like that, and oh, so everybody out there having fun and stuff like that, going to the parades and stuff. Some people probably coming from the parades, I guess they gonna party all night, long as nothing don't happen though. Okay. All right. So somebody comment on my video saying it was nice. Thank God it was nice, but so some people went to the Tux parade and everything, you know. So the Zulu parade is right around the corner, as y'all already know. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna do this discussion when I go inside about music and everything, you know. Okay. So so as I was saying, people parking right here and there. Oh, they gonna have a lot of tickets. They're gonna probably be paying fines. You know, who knows what'll happen? You know, who knows? I don't know either. To be honest with y'all, okay. So so as I was saying, y'all, I don't know what the heck's gonna happen anytime, any day. You know, so so the thing is though, people out here having fun and stuff, going to the parades and stuff, Mardi Gras and everything. Yeah, dancing to the music like a second line and stuff like that, you know. I mean, it's wonderful, you know. Like everybody is having a great time out here. Hey, how y'all doing? Hey, how y'all doing? Oh, all right. I'm doing the show. In case y'all wondering, I'm not talking to myself. So did y'all enjoy the parade? Oh, all right. So Zulu parade gonna be popping Tuesday. All right. Y'all have a nice day. I mean a nice night. My bad. So so anyway, y'all. Oh, so some more people coming. I don't know if they gonna want to be. So so as I was saying, y'all, we seeing everybody traveling back and forth and everything. You know. So oh here. All right, all right. Here goes some more parade goers. Hey, how y'all doing? Y'all enjoy the parade? All right, so y'all on the show. So I guess y'all won't be on the show. Happy Mardi Gras to y'all. All right, so as I was saying, y'all. Well, let's go back inside. So let's go back inside and stuff like that. Don't worry, ain't nothing wrong. I'm gonna go back out there when I have time though. But it's about my discussion, okay? So as I was saying, y'all, so some of them don't even know I'm a celebrity yet, you know, soon to be famous and stuff like that, you know. So as I was saying, ladies and gentlemen, though, I mean, I'm gonna try my best to get Kirsten K on my show. I really do want her on my show. Okay. Well, actually, she appeared on my show before. Okay, twice. Okay, twice. One time we was in Walmart, and one time we was in at the, I'm gonna say at the French Quarter Fest. T.J. Nathan appeared on my show. You know. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Love to see it. Oh, the Zulu. Well, I don't know if I'm going to the Zulu parade or not, but we'll have to see. Okay. I'll see if I'm gonna go to the Zulu parade, you know. And by the way, today's my friend Tanika's birthday. Happy birthday, Tanika Ware. Okay, so happy birthday to you, Tanika. Okay, today's February the 10th. Okay, so yeah, Tanika, I never forget your birthday. Okay, that's if she watching this show. You know, I don't think she watched my show. I don't think Tanika know that I have a show. You know. So I haven't seen Tanika since she graduated from John F. Kennedy, you know, high school. We went to McDonald 28 together, you know. If y'all watched the video of me walking around McDonald 28, you know. So I'm not gonna film a school with children now, you know. I ain't gonna do that, you know, cause that's kind of creepy. You understand? Okay. So, as I was saying, y'all, I will one day, soon, someday, or whatever, make a interview Kirsten and T.J. Nathan, and on my show, we gonna discuss music, and then I'm a discuss her making a song with Bone Thugs and Harmony, Avant, Carl Thomas, Kiki Wyatt, maybe Faith Evans, you know. So who knows what would happen, you know. Hmm. It's all about being independent. Screw these record companies, cause this is that's a vicious industry if you don't know what the hell you're doing, you know. Okay, so Bone Thugs and Harmony is legendary. You know, I will always support Bone Thugs and Harmony. My favorite rap group of all times, you know. Okay. So Kirsten, if you watching this, I would love for you to be on my show, but if not, I'm a message TJ Nathan on Instagram and ask him would him and his girl Kirsten would like to be interviewed on a Domino 7 show. Okay, so we'll see what would happen. Okay, all right. So that's all I'm gonna say for right now. Thank y'all for watching. Okay, and happy Mardi Gras to y'all. Okay, all right.